Hi, this is Chelsea. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your call contact preferences in the ButterflyMX mobile app. This way, you can decide whether you want to receive a phone call or a video call when a visitor arrives at your property. Before we get started, make sure you have the ButterflyMX mobile app downloaded to your smartphone. Let's get started. First, open up the ButterflyMX app on your smartphone. Press Account in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Scroll down and press Calls. Here, you'll see the option to set your call contact preference. You can choose whether you'd like to receive a video call, a phone call, or a push notification from visitors, and you can update these settings at any time. If you select the video call option, you'll receive a video call from your visitor or delivery, allowing you to see who is at the door before letting them in. If you select the phone call option, you'll receive a regular phone call to the number you entered when you first registered for ButterflyMX. To let someone in from a phone call, simply dial 9 after you answer. If you need to update your phone number, you can do that right in the app too. And that's it. Now you can choose your call contact preferences in the ButterflyMX mobile app at any time. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel to learn more about how ButterflyMX makes property access simple.